I hate to give good people bad news, but if you think muscles are just for meatheads, think again. You need muscles. They help prevent diabetes, pull sugar out of your bloodstream, burn more calories even at rest, and yes, they are even anti-cancer. That last one, maybe for another video, let me know if you're interested. Hi, I'm Pavel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm an anthropologist with over 10 years of experience of staying fit after 40. Totally unqualified to give fitness advice, of course, but I do it anyway. And you have been warned. Why do you need muscles? We're not robots. Muscles aren't just mechanical actuators that move us around. They are living tissue that talks to the rest of your body, including to the cells that are thinking of turning cancerous. They whisper in their cellular ears a chemical suggestion to kill themselves, which they frequently do. And fat cells send signals too, just not the kind you want. So no, we can't leave muscles to the domain of the steroid bros. And if you're over 40, you want sarcopenia to kiss your ass, not steal it. Time can and will pass. Strength doesn't have to. And like I always say, don't chase someone else's six-pack, go for your personal best. So how do you grow muscles? Most people will tell you to join a gym. I covered why that's a trap in my last episode. Short version, for many people, especially over 40, gyms are a waste of time, effort and money, as well as a great way to get injured. I wouldn't be surprised if half the MRIs are middle-aged guys trying to deadlift in the gym. Not a real stat, but someone who works with an MRI machine told me it's a lot. She also said, "Tell them, it's an epidemic. They must be stopped." Well, I told you. The gym bros might laugh, but I built what I have after 40, and late 40s at that, without a gym and without building one in my backyard. Strength side, I'm looking at you. And it all happened in a few months while I was barely paying attention. I wasn't chasing some ideal physique. I just wanted the strength to hike, carry furniture, renovate, go on long bike trips, real life stuff. What I did was isometrics. It's ridiculously simple, ridiculously effective. You contract a muscle without moving it, hold max effort for 5 seconds, that's it. Bruce Lee did this stuff. He wrapped his sessions in 90 seconds. Mine, they take twice as long. What can I say? I'm no Bruce Lee. And while I was training for strength, muscle size came as a byproduct. A happy accident that happened to coincide with my obsession with matcha, which might be magic for recovery and metabolism. Check out my episode on that. Still not sponsored by a matcha brand, by the way. Probably should fix that. So if you sell real matcha, call me. There is more to it, of course. Progressions, positioning, breathing. But I covered all that in my Isometrics video and in way more detail for Buy Me a Coffee members. Join us! And I'll show you how to bring down the temple of fitness one Samson isometric non-movement at a time. So here's the good news. It's doable, it's simple, it's effective. You can do it anywhere. It's fitness for lazy people. But here's the thing. YouTube doesn't reward videos about this stuff. Isometrics, not trending. DSY principle, not in vogue. That's French for in fashion. Every week, I get offers to promote nonsense to you. I turn it down, except for the Muista fidget chair. That thing's legit. Yay! I'm on it right now. Maybe I'll make a video on it one day. Point is, I'm not here to sell you crap. The world is swimming in crap. Literally, I know, I just went to a beach clean. And anyhow, where was I? Okay, I'm not here to sell you crap, I'm here to give you what works. And that's why I'm so grateful to those of you who became monthly Buy Me a Coffee members. You keep me honest and make it a little easier to look at myself in the mirror. We are gearing up for the season finale. After that, I'll be delivering the course I promised to my Buy Me a Coffee members. Fitness for lazy but smart people. Strength is just one pillar of the Sendyka method. The others, stamina and flexibility. The truth about fitness is hidden in plain sight on this channel. Often in the videos the YouTube algorithm didn't love, but you can still find it. Or you can join La Resistance. You'll get a course built on all of this, with structure, support and a clear path. The prep weeks are done, the rest already in my head just needs to be written and shot. which is why the season finale is coming, so I can fulfill my covenant. Is this a cult? Yes, definitely. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, you're awesome, and I'd like to share something personal with you. I recently lost a dear friend, Maka. I'm grieving by writing about her life because I want people to know that she lived and that she mattered. Vive la résistance. Bye.